Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you the best trick for pocket option broker, with which I managed to make huge profit on a regular basis. And in order to prove that this strategy is indeed effective, I'll try my best to turn just $1 into $10,000 right here in front of your eyes. But before we get started, be sure to give this video a like and let's dive in. So look, I'll be trading on my MacBook today. You can trade on any other device, it's up to you. For starters, let's adjust some settings. I click on these three dots here. I need to select the chart type, let it be candles. I disable auto scroll, and I'll be trading on a 5-second time frame. Again, I click on these three dots here. This time I go to the indicators section. Here's the list of indicators, and here I look for alligator. That's the name of the indicator. In the indicator settings, I set jaws period at 12, jaws shift at 7, teeth period at 7, teeth shift at 4, lips period at 4, and finally lips shift at 2. Then we go to styles. The lips line will be green, and I set it at 2 pixels. The teeth line is white, 2 pixels, and the jaws line is blue, 2 pixels. I click save. We're done with the settings. Now let me explain how the strategy actually works and how to trade with it. When we see that these three lines cross each other and they're going up, then we should buy a call option. In other words, we click this green buy button. And there's also an opposite situation. When our three lines cross each other and they're going down, we need to buy a put option. In other words, we press this red sell button. As you can see, it's no interesting part. I set the expiration time at 5 seconds. I'll start with putting $1 in the trade amount. I choose any currency pair. Let it be Australian dollar, Canadian dollar OTC. Here, the three lines crossed each other and they're going up. So I'm buying a $1 call option. The expiration time is 5 seconds. I just press this green buy button and the trade ends up with a profit. So next, I'm gonna put $1.92 in the trade amount. Australian dollar, American dollar OTC this time. Look, the intersection is happening right now. The lines are going down. So I'm buying a $1.92 put option. I press this red sell button. The trade ends up with a profit. Next, I'm gonna open a $3.69 trade. Let's pick another currency pair. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc OTC. Here, the lines just crossed each other and they're going down. That is why I'm buying a $3.69 put option. I just press this red sell button, and this is another profit. That's just awesome. So, during this video, guys, all my trades ended up with a profit. There were 3 trades so far. That's very cool. Next, I'll put $7.08 on the line. Euro, Swiss franc OTC. Let's go with this currency pair. Let's have a look at the chart. The alligator lines crossed each other and they're going up, so I'm buying a $7.8 call option. Let's wait for the outcome, and the trade ends up with a profit. The balance is $13.59. It's time for the next trade. I put my entire balance on the line. I'm gonna go with Euro American dollar OTC. Here we see another intersection, and the lines are going down. So I'm buying a $13.59 put option. The trade, of course, ends up with a profit. And here's the important fact, guys. The strategy has around 95% signals win rate. Of course, there can be losses every now and then, but it happens very rarely. For the next trade, I want to pick a cryptocurrency, Litecoin OTC. Let's have a look at the chart. Here, the previous intersection happened some time ago. The 3 lines crossed each other and they were going up. So I'm buying another call option. I just clicked on this green buy button, $26, and the trade ends up with a profit. That's another profit. So now, guys, let me speed things up here. I'll continue trading, and once I reach $10,000, I'll be back. And the last trade, Australian dollar, Swiss franc, OTC, ends up with a profit. That's insane. Would you believe this? I just managed to turn a single dollar into $10,162. And now, guys, check out the history here. All the trades ended up with a profit. Actually, I broke even one time, but that's okay. So it's up to you guys to decide whether to trade only in profit.